signal's going to change. Come on, damn signal, change already, alright? I need to go and get this train to other places. Good evening, Helen. How are you? Good. I'm just waiting for this damn and blast signal to change already. Yourself? Quite good. Thank you for asking. Hey, Stephen. Just wondering, do you know when British Railways and Age of Steam's coming out? Just wondering if you knew. I don't know when, but I do know where. Do you want to know? Do a good one, Stephen. I'd like to know more. Well, Helen, I heard from now on, all things involving British Railways and Age of Steam will be posted on the new channel, British Railways Studio Productions. You know what? We should both check it out today. Alright, Stephen. I'll check it out later. Alright, Stephen. See you later now. Well, I better get back to work then. Hello, VTV here, in model form. Thanks for watching, like, comment and subscribe. And make sure to check out the new channel, British Railways Studio Productions. Now, I've got to catch my train.